let's look at a poem from Savi Kannada grade 3. The name of this poem is Mulugada Surya and it is written by Pagu Siddhapura. Mulugada means something which does not set or sink down. Surya, sun. So the sun which does not set, that is the meaning. So the meaning, the literal meaning is a person even after his death, he is still famous. People still remember his contributions even after his death. So that is the meaning of Mulugada Surya. Means the fame of that person still remains even though he is not there anymore. Even though he is not alive and there in this world still. So this poem is dedicated to a blind singer. His name is Puttaraju. He is called as Gavai Puttaraju. So he was born in 1914 and when he was a very young child, when he was just around 1 year old, he had some disease and he lost his vision. He could not see anymore. He lost his eyesight and he became blind. But he had too much of interest towards music. So he had a teacher called as Guru Panchakshari and from him he learnt music and became very famous for his music. So to help poor blind children, he opened a musical institute and thousands of blind children learnt music there. So they could make their dreams come true. So he not only did this social service for the blind people, he has also written a lot of drama and poem, a lot of literary work also he has done. So this poem is completely talking about him and it is dedicated for all that he has done for this society. So let's look at the poem now. ಅಂಧರ ಬಾಳಿನ ಸುಂದರ ಚಂದಿರ ಗದುಗಿನ ಗವಾಯಿ ಗಿರಿಶಿಖರ ಬೆಟ್ಟದಾಚೆ ತಾ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತನು ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ ಕವಿ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ. ಅಂಧರ means blind, ಬಾಳಿನ life, sundara beautiful, chandira is moon. So this singer, his name is Puttaraju. He was like a beautiful moonlight for the life of the blind people. Gadugina Gavai Girishikara, Gadugu. So he belonged to a place called as Gadag in Karnataka. He was born there. So Gadugina Gavai, Gavai means singer. Okay, so the singer Puttaraju, he is like a moonlight in the life of blind people. Girishikara, he is like the mountain peak. Mountain is so tall, right? He is like on the peak, means he is so famous as the mountain peak. ಬೆಟ್ಟದಾಚೆ ತಾ ಬೆಳೆದು ನಿಂತನು ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ ಕವಿ ಪ್ರಭಾಕರ. So he has grown so tall in people's mind. People have so much of respect for him because his contributions is so much. Okay, he has grown to the height of the mountain peak and beyond. He is like in the sky, like the sun in the sky. He has grown so tall. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬದುಕುತ್ತಿರುವರು ಹಲವು ಜನ, ಇರದೇ ಇದ್ದರು ಇದ್ದಂತಿಹರು ಸಾಧಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ. ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿದ್ದು ಇಲ್ಲದ ಹಾಗೆ ಬದುಕುತ್ತಿರುವವರು ಹಲವು ಜನ means many people, in spite of having eyes, in spite of being normal, not like blind or deaf, not having any handicap in them, in spite of having everything, they still don't lead a good life. They don't show any discipline or dedication. They just lead a normal life. But ಇರದೇ ಇದ್ದರು ಇದ್ದಂತಿಹರು ಸಾಧಕರಾಗಿ ಕೆಲವು ಜನ. But some people, in spite of having so much of difficulties, so much of handicapness in them, they still don't lose hope. They are so determined and they achieve great heights. So, Puttaraju is one of them. In spite of being blind, he still achieved a lot in his life. Now, next paragraph. ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿತ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿದ ಗಾನಯೋಗಿಯು ಸ್ವರಲೋಕ ಸಾವಿರ ಸಾವಿರ ಅಂಧ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಸಜ್ಜಾಯಿತು ಈ ಭೂಲೋಕ. So ಕಟ್ಟಿ ಬೆಳೆಸಿತ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಹಾಕಿ. So he built music. He learned music. He became an expert in the music, and to encourage other blind people like himself, he built a institute and he created a world of music. Thousands and thousands of blind children. Savira is thousands. Andha makkalu is children. Blind children. For them, he made the world ready. How? By teaching them music and making them great musicians. And not only this, not only was he good at music, what else did he do? Baredaru Nataka Purana Charite ಅಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗದು ಪಾಂಡಿತ್ಯ ಸೂಸುತ್ತಿರುವುದು ಎಲ್ಲೆಡೆ ಸೌರಭ ಇವರದೇ ಆದ ಸಾಹಿತ್ಯ. ಬರೆದರು means he wrote. Nataka is drama. Purana Charite is all mythological stories. ಅಳೆಯಲಿಕ್ಕಾಗದು, we cannot measure. Panditya, how expert he was. We cannot measure his expertise in the field of literature because he has written so much of dramas and stories. Susuttiruvudu ellade saurabha. So, susu means spread. Saurabha is fragrance. The fragrance of his literature, the fragrance of his literary work is spread everywhere. Then, ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳುಳಿದವು ನಲಿದವು ಒಡನೆ ಕಿನ್ನರಿ ನುಡಿಸಲು ತನ್ನೊಳಗೆ ರಾಜ ಕವಿ ಮಹಾರಾಜ ಮುಳುಗದ ಸೂರ್ಯ ಧರೆಯೊಳಗೆ. ಹಕ್ಕಿಗಳುಳಿಯುವುದು means huli means chirping or the sound that the birds make, the song or the singing of the birds. So the birds chirp. Immediately they chirp when they hear him play his kinnari. Kinnari is a string instrument. If you can see in this picture, he is holding an instrument. This instrument is called as kinnari. So whenever he started playing this musical instrument, his music was so melodious that even the birds would start chirping along with him. Raja Kavi Maharaja. So this is our great Puttaraju. Mulugada Surya Dareyolage. So he is like a sun which will never set in our earth. Forever he is shining. That means his name and fame is forever shining in all our minds. So this is the story about Kavi Gavai, singer Puttaraju.